Is it possible to make money online by watching videos on YouTube? Yes, of course, it is possible. I am going to talk about it today. Think you are watching my video now, but you will not get money, but after the method I teach, you can earn extra income by watching videos. My goal is 100,000 subscribers before end of this year. So please click like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, now I'll demonstrate how to do it. The name of this brand new website is Scoin.click. That will pay you for every minute that you spend watching any video on YouTube, and the greatest part is that all of these videos will play automatically one after the other. This indicates that after you begin making money from using this website, you will have a steady passive stream of income coming to you. I have put the link to this web page in the description box for you. Now, once you have navigated to the website using that link, click on the Start Now option and then choose the Google account that you would like to use to register for the service. After that, you can sign in with your Google account. The next step is proceed to the Earn section, where you can begin earning completely passive income by watching YouTube videos. Before I go with that, I would like to let you know that I will be putting these techniques for making money to the test on myself, and that I will be able to withdraw any money that I earn through the use of this website. Because of this, you are urged to have faith in what has been said. Additionally, if you are busy with other work, there is no need for you to view these movies. You are free to open any other tab, do whatever you choose, and can even make money while doing things like playing games or watching movies if you choose to do so. You are probably aware that in order to start making money, all it takes is a few clicks of the mouse on your phone or computer. By the way, you can make money with any smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. I doubt you've ever seen such an easy way to make money, and for that reason, I believe you'll enjoy this video, which as you can see, is quite lengthy. When you begin playing one of these videos, you won't need to click again to access the other videos in the playlist. Every 5 to 7 minutes, it will automatically advance to the next video on the playlist, and approximately every 2 to 3 minutes, coin additions will be made to your balance. And also, definitely by doing this, you could earn anywhere from 30 to 90 coins every hour. In just a moment, I'm going to explain how you can turn this into actual cash. If you make money through a computer using this method, then this first bonus tip is for you. Installing the most recent version of Google Chrome is required in order to accomplish this. I have provided you with the link to the most recent version of Google Chrome, which can be found in the description box. After that, select Download Chrome using that link and install it on both your personal computer and your mobile device if you intend to make money using this approach. At this point, all that is left for you to do is go to the Scoin. Click and started making money. However, if you want to earn more money, you can use the Social Tasks section. Here you have a number of jobs to do to earn money. To get these jobs, you must first register with your Google or Facebook account. The tasks that you have to do here are things like subscribing and writing comments through the links they provide. And you will receive payment for each of these actions taken by you. For example, you can see some cases. In order to receive 140 coins, you are required to subscribe to their channel. After subscribe their channel, we have to send a screenshot for that we did so. Let's get started. Follow the steps below to upload a screenshot of your subscription. First, click the link provided, then subscribe, and finally, take a screenshot of your subscription. Simply selecting Submit for approval as the action to take will result in the task being finished. It will be checked within a few minutes, and the money will be added to our approved balance once it has been verified. You can earn money from this website in several ways, thereby having the potential to earn an infinite sum, and each of these activities can be completed on your mobile device. If you are interested in putting this aspect, making money by watching YouTube videos, only to the test and determining how many coins you can make from a full passive in a period of 5 hours, the following will help. You can accomplish it in this manner. First, give the timer on your watch a close once-over and keep this in mind. After that, you should begin watching the videos, as I said before. Now you can set an alarm for 5 hours and leave for any work you want. Visit Scoin.click again in 5 hours, and we guarantee that you will have more than 500 coins in your possession. It is not difficult, but the most important thing to remember is that the value of this coin is not indicated on this webpage. On the other hand, I am aware that $1 is equivalent to 100 of these Scoins. That means that you put in a total of 5 hours of effort and earned a total of $5. You can easily earn 20,000 coins, which is roughly similar to the sum of $200 in the span of 2 to 3 weeks. So if you want to get these in cash, I am going to tell you how to do it. Bear in mind that in order to do this, you will initially need to amass a minimum of 2,000 coins. After that, you will always have the option to exchange your accumulated points for Bitcoin. And now I'm going to walk you through the process of withdrawing monies to a cryptocurrency, immediately converting those funds to dollars, and then lastly transferring those dollars to your PayPal account. It is strongly suggested that you receive any Bitcoin address by downloading the Trust Wallet, which is available online for free. You can find the link to it in the description box. At this point, you can click on the link and then proceed to download it from Google Play. After that, launch the application and select Bitcoin from the menu. Following that, select Receive, and finally, copy your Bitcoin address. After that, you will be able to enter your Scoin amount. Take, for example, that you have entered 20,000 coins. In order to withdraw that money, you will first need to click the payout button, and then you will need to wait a few moments, because the money is deposited in the wallet quickly in this way. And after only a brief wait of 5 minutes, your Bitcoin address will successfully pay out the whole amount of $200. After that, you will need to go to the website bestchange.com and use the drop-down choices there to choose Bitcoin and PayPal USD as your payment methods. In the description field, I have included a reference to the link to the bestchange.com website. After that, select an exchange such as this one, enter the amount, enter the Bitcoin wallet address associated with your PayPal account, transfer the funds to the Bitcoin wallet you receive here, and after that, money will be credited to your PayPal account. Okay, now that a few hours have passed, log into your PayPal account and you will find that the sum of $200 has been credited to your account. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're ready to take the next step and learn even more about make money online, click that next video now.